Clear your lungs, stop coughing, and do it naturally with ingredients trusted for centuries. This isn't just a home remedy, it's a time-tested healing tradition that's been used by entire cultures across the world. To relieve coughing, soothe the lungs, and fight bronchitis without depending solely on medication. A remedy rooted in generations from ancient Japan and China to rural villages in Greece and Egypt. Garlic, ginger, honey, and lemon have been used in traditional healing for hundreds, even thousands of years. In Japan's traditional compost system, warming herbs like garlic and ginger were used to reduce phlegm and open the airways. In Ayurvedic medicine, ginger and garlic are both considered lung-stimulating and are believed to enhance the body's natural detox process. Honey, called liquid gold in ancient Egypt, was prized not only for sweetness, but for its healing powers, especially for the throat and lungs. Even today, these remedies remain central in natural medicine cabinets around the world. But now science has caught up. And what our ancestors did out of instinct, we can now explain through chemistry and biology. The science behind each ingredient. Let's break it down. Number 1, garlic. When you crush or chop fresh garlic, a compound called allicin is released. Allicin has powerful antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It helps reduce the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses that contribute to infections like bronchitis. But more than that, allicin has anti-inflammatory effects. It reduces cytokines and oxidative stress that worsen lung inflammation. Studies show that garlic may help lower the risk of respiratory infections and reduce the severity and duration of colds and coughs. Number 2, ginger. Fresh ginger is rich in gingerols and shogaols, which not only fight inflammation, but also help relax bronchial muscles. That means ginger may physically make it easier for your lungs to open and release trapped mucus. It's also a natural expectorant, helping your body clear out excess phlegm. Ginger has also been shown to regulate inflammatory pathways like NF-kappa B, a key player in chronic bronchial conditions and persistent coughs. Number 3, honey, nature's own cough syrup. Honey coats the throat, reducing irritation and suppressing coughing, especially at night. Studies have found that honey is often more effective than commercial cough medicines, particularly in children over the age of 1. Honey also contains enzymes and antioxidants that help the immune system fight infections, all while delivering a comforting, soothing texture to this blend. Number 4, lemon juice. Lemon adds vitamin C and citric acid, both of which help thin mucus, boost immunity, and improve lung function. Vitamin C is known to enhance the body's defenses and reduce the severity of respiratory infections. It also helps in tissue repair, especially in irritated airways. Number 5, warm water. Warm water acts as a carrier and helps thin mucus secretions, making it easier for the lungs to expel phlegm. It also helps your digestive system absorb the nutrients in the garlic, ginger, and lemon more effectively. So, what causes coughing and lung congestion? Before we get to how this remedy helps, let's understand the problem. Coughing is your body's natural reflex to clear irritants, mucus, dust, smoke, or pathogens from the lungs and throat. But when the underlying cause isn't resolved, the coughing becomes chronic. Some of the most common causes of cough and lung congestion include respiratory infections, cold, flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, environmental pollutants, smoke, chemicals, dust, allergies and asthma, chronic conditions like COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, IOS nasal drip or acid reflux and dehydration, which thickens mucus. This remedy works by addressing multiple points in that cycle, reducing inflammation, thinning mucus, calming the throat, and helping clear the lungs naturally. Here's exactly how to make the remedy, step by step. Peel 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Peel a small piece of fresh ginger, about a thumb size, and cut it into small cubes. Add both to a blender or grinder. Blend until smooth. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Add half a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, roughly from half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir well until combined. Pour into a cup. Sip slowly and enjoy. So how often should you take it? Drink this mix twice a day. In the morning on an empty stomach and at night before sleeping. Wait at least 15 minutes before eating or drinking anything else to give the body time to absorb the active compounds. You can continue this for 2 to 5 days. Most people start feeling relief by day 2 or 3. Safety and precautions. This is a powerful natural mix, but not suitable for everyone. Do not give to babies under 1 year because of the honey, risk of botulism. If you're on blood thinners, diabetic medications, or blood pressure meds, consult your doctor first. Garlic and ginger may enhance or interfere with their effects. People with sensitive stomachs may experience heartburn or irritation. Reduce the quantity or dilute further. If you experience discomfort, stop using it. This is not a replacement for antibiotics or urgent care. If you have fever, wheezing, chest tightness, or breathing difficulty, seek medical help immediately. What else can you do to heal faster? This remedy is your foundation, but true recovery comes from supporting your lungs every day. How, you ask? Number 1, hydrate constantly. Mucus becomes sticky and hard to move when you're dehydrated. Drink water throughout the day to keep it thin. Number 2, practice steam inhalation. Steam helps loosen mucus in the lungs. You can add eucalyptus or mint for even better results. Number 3, do light movement. Walking, stretching, or light aerobic activity helps your lungs expand and move mucus out. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Number 4, breathe intentionally. Try diaphragmatic breathing and pursed lip breathing. These techniques help increase lung capacity and reduce shortness of breath. Number 5, eat lung-supportive foods. Include garlic, ginger, turmeric, pineapple, berries, leafy greens, and nuts in your meals. These are rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Ready to breathe easier? You're not just sipping a remedy, you're giving your lungs a break, your immune system a boost, and your body a moment to reset. This isn't just about stopping a cough. It's about honoring your body's ability to heal with support from the natural world. You've already shown the dedication to care for your lungs. That's a powerful first step. But lasting change, that happens in community. So subscribe to this channel. Join a group of people who share natural remedies, lung support tips, breathing exercises, diet advice, and accountability. Share your progress. Ask questions. Be part of a caring health network. Here, you're not just a viewer. You're part of something healing, something hopeful. You're valued, you're supported, and your health matters because real healing happens together, not in isolation. Subscribe now, comment, I'm in, and let's breathe better together.